Hi Stampers. I just wanted to take a second and show you if you are wanting to get gifts or if you're just trying to track what you have or different ways that you can use the new wish list function on our shopping site. So, especially because Christmas is coming up and sometimes, things that we say, oh, I want a dye, or I want some sponge daubers, or I want a magenta blends. And to us, it sounds like perfectly good English. And to those that we tell that to, they're like, yeah, I'm just going to get her a sweater because it sounds like it's a different language. So it's so much easier if you can just give them a link and all the little things that you would like on your wish list are just right there, and they can just pick the ones they want, and then it shows up delivered to their door, because that's the way we shop these days. So there are two ways you can do it. You can always send those that are buying for you to me, and I'm happy to help them place an order. Or I can also do gift cards, so then you can get it later and get exactly what you want if you want to wait for the new catalog to come out. But I know a lot of people like to have this stuff to wrap, and they're not huge gift card people because they want the present under the tree. So this is the way to show them, to send them a link and give them exactly what you want. So you want to make sure that you're on my site, and you'll see my picture, which I don't like that picture. I'm going to have to change it. But go to cheri.stampinup.net and then do the shop now, just like if you were going to place an order yourself. And then just get whatever you want. So let's just get some fun stuff. Let's get some bundles, because we save those. One of the things that I have set up right now that I'm working on let's do kits, because that's what I'm filming right now. So let's do kits. So I've got this beautiful semi-inclusive project kit, and that's going to be a class that's coming up in December. So say you want this. So you add that to the cart if you're shopping, but if you want, you can add it to a list. You have to make sure you're signed in. So sign yourself in. I should have done that first. I probably wasn't. It's probably signed me out. So now I'm going to add it to the list. Am I signed in? Yes. Okay. So add it to the list. So you can, here's where the fun things you can do. You can add that you've already purchased it, and that keeps a little link. You're like, did I already get that magenta refill? So if you go through this, and you can just do it that way, you can put it on your favorites. Those of you that put those post-it notes in your catalog, this is the online post-it note version of your catalog. Or you can create a new list. So I'm going to do Sergio. That's my husband. So I'm going to add it to Serge's list. So one item was added to Sergio. He's not going to buy it for me. Because, when it's a business, he's not going to get it for me, but it's a good wish, right? So then let's see down here, product details. Let's go back to kits. The other one that I'm working on, there's some beautiful ones coming out, is this lemon one, but that's in French. We do that sometimes, don't we? Here's the Simply Citrus. So I'll add this to the list, and I'm going to add it to Sergio's. So now I'm going to go up here to my lists and see where it says Sergio right here. Click on that. And then right here, where it says share list, I can copy this link, and I can send it in Facebook. I can send it in an email, and it just copies that list, and you copy it and send it. And then when Sergio opens it up, it will have everything that's on my wish list, and he can either add it all to the shopping cart. That's a really special husband right there, or boyfriend, or mom, or whoever you're shopping for. They can just add it all to the list, or they can go through and just add the things that they want to the list. And then they'll just be able to check out. It'll already be logged in as them. And then if you have sent your list to somebody, let me know, because they'll still qualify for whatever monthly gifts I'm giving. And I will send it in January. That way it won't spoil any surprise, but you'll still get it. So you can let them know that I do thank you gifts, and that you'll get an additional freebie in the new year if it qualifies. But I don't want to spoil their surprise, so I'm not going to be rocking up with the thank you. So just let me know if you've sent your list, and that way I won't send you, because if you order online from me, you get the little thank you email within a few days after your order, and then I send you the card and the goodies, and I don't want to spoil any Christmas surprises. But if it's the rest of the year and you're getting it for your birthday or something, you might want to let me know too, because I don't want to be I want to be a happy elf, not a spoiling elf. So that's how you do it. If you have any questions, let me know. And again, you can always add it to your list of stuff that you have. It's a good way to keep track of what you've gotten from each catalog. And if you have any questions, just shoot me an email. Bye.